Let's solve a statistics problem comparing the heights of two men to determine which height is more extreme relative to the average. Let's say we have two men, James, who is 6 feet 5 inches tall, and Michael, who is 5 feet 4 inches tall. The average height for adult men is 5 feet 10 inches with a standard deviation of 3 inches. To determine which height is more extreme, we need to calculate z-scores for both men. The z-score formula is z equals x minus mu divided by sigma, where x is the value we're measuring, mu is the population mean, and sigma is the standard deviation. Let's convert all measurements to inches to make our calculations easier. James is 6 feet 5 inches, which is 77 inches. Michael is 5 feet 4 inches, which is 64 inches. The mean height is 5 feet 10 inches, or 70 inches. Let's calculate James's z-score first. We take 77 inches minus 70 inches divided by 3 inches. This equals positive 2.33. This means James is 2.33 standard deviations above the mean. Now, let's calculate Michael's z-score. We take 64 inches minus 70 inches divided by 3 inches. This equals negative 2. This means Michael is 2 standard deviations below the mean. To determine which height is more extreme, we compare the absolute values of the z-scores. James's z-score has an absolute value of 2.33, while Michael's has an absolute value of 2. Therefore, James's height of 6 feet 5 inches is more extreme relative to the population mean, as it is 2.33 standard deviations away from the mean compared to Michael's 2 standard deviations. Here's a visualization of where both heights fall on a normal distribution curve. The center represents the mean height of 5 feet 10 inches. James's height is here 2.33 standard deviations above the mean, while Michael's height is here 2 standard deviations below the mean.